Stephanie of Stephanie Stitches here. Welcome to my channel where together we sew. If you're brand new here, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I love seeing all of you here and your comments down below. Well, today I got some fun happy mail. Today I got my sew sampler for January. So I'm going to go ahead and get this open and see what's inside. Now this year the price went up just a little bit, and I was not surprised by that because everything in the industry has gone up. And they have kept their price the same for years and never had a price hike. It didn't go up that much. I think it was an extra $5 a month. But even before the price hike, I was considering maybe not getting this anymore. So let's see what's inside, and that will sort of determine what I decide to do. So looking forward to getting this open. Hopefully it's something really awesome. As you can see, I haven't opened the box yet. So again, this is the January 2023 Sew Sampler from Fat Quarter Shop. Give that a cut, cut that open, see what we've got. Grow Kindness. And I did see the preview for this, and before I look at the fabric, I do believe it's probably a Lori Holt fabric line, but I'm not positive. That would be my #1 guess. The other guess I had was Deb Strain's new line from Moda, and I can't think of the name of it right now, but it's got sort of this green color. But I really think it's probably Lori Holt, but we'll see. Let's get this open and see. Okay, on the back of this card, there's always coupons, and the promo this time is a free book stand if you spend $80 or more, or you can get $5 off any 5-inch stacker from Riley Blake Designs. Okay. So we got a box full of goodies here, and it does look like it's Lori Holt. Yep. All right. So this is interesting. I'm definitely going to leave these in the package. This is Lori Holt's 2.50 reader glasses and soft case. Actually, maybe I'll pop this open and show you guys the readers inside, because it looks like they're in plastic. I don't want to touch them because I'm going to end up giving these to somebody because they're pretty. They're blue. I'm going to end up giving those to somebody because I wear regular glasses, not readers, and so these won't really do me any good. That's a very interesting thing to put in a quilting box. I know a lot of quilters need readers, but not something that's very useful to those of us who don't. So, interesting. Okay, and then this is, it looks like the whole box is Lori Holt themed. This is a wrist pin cushion. So the readers, the value of that is $9.74. The value of the pin cushion is $4.74. The nice thing about this pin cushion is that it's got an elastic band to put it on your wrist, and I've seen some of those that don't. They just have like a hard plastic band and then they don't fit you. So it's nice that this can fit all different sizes. I don't know if I would use this for my wrist or put it on my wrist, but I love the color of it, and I would definitely use it as a pin cushion. I'm not sure if I would keep it on my wrist. I don't really like things on my wrist. It's hard enough for me to wear a wristwatch. So but I do like the pin cushion. I would use that as a pin cushion. We got 2 packs of Riley Blake's, or I should say Lori Holt from Riley Blake's new fabric line called Calico. So we'll open one of them up. I'm not going to take it all apart, but I'll slowly like flip through. It's, if you know Lori Holt's fabrics at all, it's her classic colors. She does this 30s reproduction type of fabric, which is definitely not my cup of tea. So I'll probably be donating that to somebody as well. Okay, and then we got some 6-inch vintage kite quilt block foundation papers. Now I have used these foundation papers before. I do like them. This is what I consider the perfect block to do foundation paper for, because this would not be an easy block to traditionally piece. I don't like the papers that have you replace, this is just my opinion, for blocks that you can easily traditionally piece, but this is one that would be hard to traditionally piece. So I can appreciate this, and I really do like this paper. That's really neat. I've actually never seen this block before, and I really like that. So that's cool. And then let's see, we've got our fig tree block of the month, block 10. This is what the block looks like. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus. Cute block. And then the pattern this time is for a table runner. It's called Wheelbarrow. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so that's where the paper comes in handy. So you can see here the little kites, and then there's pluses down the center. I actually like the table runner, and now that I see the table runner made with that fabric, I kind of like it. So maybe I will keep that and make it. And I can always donate that, you know, as like a giveaway or a prize or something to somebody. Make it and give it to somebody. Okay, so overall impression of the box. Oh, sorry, the table runner pattern is $9.98. The fabric is $21.96. The block of the month block is $4.98. And the vintage kite papers are $10.98. So, as always, the value in this box is there, which I've never said it's not. I always think the value is there in the Sew Samplers. I always feel like the cost of it, they give you more than what we're paying for it, which is really nice. My overall opinion of this box, I think it's a good box if you love Lori Holt. Like I said, I'm not a huge Lori Holt fabric fan. I do like this pattern, and after seeing the pattern, I might actually make this with this fabric instead of giving this away, because this would be a cute project or a cute finished thing to have on hand as a gift for someone. So I might actually make this. The readers, I honestly really don't get in a Sew Sampler box, but that's my opinion again. And then I like the pin cushion. So overall, I thought this was a pretty decent box. I'm on the fence as to whether to keep going with the Sew Sampler. I like it, but I feel like I've outgrown it. And some of you seasoned quilters might understand what I'm saying. It's just I feel like I'm getting a lot of stuff that in duplicate or triplicate that I already have because I've been quilting for a long time. And I do realize this is a sampler box, so they're going to give you things that they think that might help you with quilting, or samples of things that are new to the market. And a lot of the things I feel like they give you are definitely for newer quilters. So we'll see what I do. I'm not sure yet. Like I said, I think this was a pretty good box. The only thing I don't like is the readers, just because I think they're for a very specific group of people and not everybody can use them. I wish they put things in that everybody can use, but that's just one thing. I still think even if you took those out and just, you know, had these things, the value is still here. This is still more than what we paid for the box. So based on that, the value's good. I might give this another couple of months just to finish out the block of the month and then see where I'm at that point. So anyhow, I do think though that Fat Quarter Shop does a really good job with these boxes. They're just more geared towards beginners, I think. So that's just my opinion. You all don't have to agree with me. That's okay. But it was fun to get some happy mail. And like I said, I really do love this pattern. And seeing the fabric in the picture on the pattern, I think I am going to make this. So, all right, that's all I got to say about that. Hope you all have a great day, and I will see you really soon.